Hello, dear teachers. Welcome to BBConnect, our advanced and future-ready ERP platform designed for educational institutions. In this video, we will dive deeper into the lesson plan module and learn how to manage syllabus status and lesson plan. After you log into the app in BBConnect, press the three-line menu button. Scroll down to find Lesson Plan and press on it to view the drop-down options. To check your syllabus status, press the second button, Manage Syllabus Status. Here you can verify whether your syllabus exists in the system or not. Select the class, section, subject group, and subject. Then press the search button. If the record doesn't exist, follow these simple steps to make your syllabus appear here. There are two possible types of syllabus structures. First type can be with lesson names and topics. Second type CAB without topics, only lessons. Let's learn how to add a syllabus without topics. Click on Lesson Plan, then click on Lesson. Select the class, section, subject group, and subject for which you want to create the syllabus. You don't need to enter the lesson name since there are no topics. Instead, enter the chapter number. You can add more chapters by pressing the Add button. Enter all the chapter numbers from your syllabus. Once you've finished adding them, save it. Now check the syllabus status to verify the chapter numbers you've entered. However, you won't see the action button yet. This is because you haven't entered the chapter names. To do this, press the Topic button. Select the class, section, subject group, subject, and the lesson, which is the chapter number. Select the chapter number and instead of entering a topic name, enter the chapter name, then save it. Repeat this process to save all chapter names one by one. Once you've finished saving all chapter names, go back to Syllabus Status to verify your entries. Now you'll see the Action button, where you can tick off chapters as completed. Now let's learn how to add a syllabus structure with topics. Click on Lesson Plan, then click on Lesson. Select the class, section, subject group, and subject for which you want to create the syllabus. Here, you will need to enter all the lesson names from your syllabus. Use the Add button to create additional sections for your lesson names. Once you've finished adding all lesson names, save it. Now check the syllabus status. You'll see only the lesson names without the action button yet. This is because you haven't added the topics for these lessons. To do this, press the Topic button. Select the class, section, subject group, subject, and the lesson name. Select the lesson and then enter all the topics for that lesson. Then save it. Repeat this process to save the topics for each lesson, one by one. Once you've finished saving all topics, go back to Syllabus Status to verify your entries. Now you'll see the Action button, where you can tick off topics as completed when you finish teaching them. This way, your lesson completion status will be automatically updated in the ERP system, and everyone, including parents, can view the status. This module also includes features to plan your lessons in advance. This means you can plan ahead and decide what you'll teach on a specific day. To do this, press the Manage Lesson Plan button. You'll see your timetable with a plus button for each subject in the corner. Press the plus button and select the chapter and topic name. Enter the subtopic according to your lesson plan. Here you can also enter a video URL or attach any documents you want to use in your class. Fill in all the required sections. Teaching method, objectives, and questions. For example, I'm going to attach a PowerPoint presentation that I'll use in class. Add the teaching method, general objectives, previous knowledge questions, and my presentation of the lesson. After you've completed all the details, save it. You can then preview your lesson plan here, including all attached documents. That's it. We've thoroughly explored and learned the lesson plan module. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial.